Notion Productivity App Tutorial Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Notion is just a note-taking app. Surprising truth is that it's a full productivity platform, and tutorials can help you use it efficiently without wasting hours figuring it out yourself. Free tutorials cover basic setup, creating pages, notes, and simple task lists. Are great for beginners, but don't dive into advanced features like databases, automation, or team collaboration. Paid tutorials offer in-depth guidance on advanced workflows, templates, and integrations. You learn how to manage projects, track goals, and automate repetitive tasks, maximizing your productivity and reducing wasted time. Some subscription-based learning platforms per month provide ongoing updates, new templates, and community support. This ensures you stay up to date with new features and best practices as Notion evolves. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the learning curve. Investing in the right tutorial saves time, prevents frustration, and helps you unlock the full potential of Notion. In conclusion, Notion tutorials, free, paid, or subscription, provide the guidance needed to organize tasks, projects, and ideas efficiently. With the right instruction, you gain productivity, clarity, and control over your workflow.